Ensure that the pre-assembly device is operational. For more information, please refer to the respective operating instructions of the pre-assembly device. Drive the machine to the basis setting and insert the respective tools. Then move the machine into the insertion position. Now place the SQR union nut over the end of the tube. Ensure that no damage is caused to the inside or outside of the tube. A thin layer of oil should be applied to the inside and outside surfaces of the tube in the shaping area to reduce tool wear. Now feed the end of the tube through the clamping jaw up to the stopper of the machine and hold in position. Pressing the start button will tightly clamp the tube and the shaping process can start. After removing the shaped tube, the machine returns to the insertion position. You can now shape additional forming operations or move the machine to the basic position to replace the tool. Then check the forming result with the help of the contact surface for the clamping ring, the 24-degree cone contour, and the system for the sealing ring. To finish the process, push the sealing ring against the contact surface of the 24-degree taper contour. The pre-assembled tube can now be mounted in its final position.